In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll walk through each step together to make sure you can easily save those images that you love. So you may be wondering, what is Google Gemini? Well, it's a cutting-edge tool that allows users to generate captivating images using detailed prompts. It's really impressive how much creativity you can unlock with just your words. Today, I'll guide you from the point where you generate the image all the way to downloading it. Let's dive in. First, to get started, you need to head over to Google Gemini. You can do this by visiting the link provided in the description below. Once you're on the Gemini page, you'll want to generate your first image. To do this, think about what you want your image to look like. It could be anything from a serene landscape to a colorful abstract piece. The more descriptive you are in your prompt, the better the resulting image will be. Once you've entered your prompt and generated the image, take a moment to appreciate what Gemini has created for you. Isn't it amazing? Now the next thing you'll need to do is hover your mouse pointer over the image itself. This is where it gets really easy. By just moving your cursor over the image, additional options should appear along the top edge. Now let's look closely at the top edge of your generated image. You should spot an icon that resembles a downward arrow. That's the download button we've been looking for. Go ahead and click that button. This action tells Gemini that you're ready to save this high-resolution version of your image onto your computer. After you've clicked the download icon, give it a moment. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the image, it might take a little time to process. But don't worry, you won't have to wait long. During this time, Gemini is busy preparing the image for you in the best quality possible. While you're waiting, let me tell you a little more about what you can do with these images. You can use them for personal projects, social media backgrounds, or even for inspiration in your own artwork. The possibilities are nearly endless. Now, once the file has been processed, it's time to head over to your computer's default downloads folder. You can usually find this by opening your File Explorer and looking for a folder labeled Downloads. Inside, you should see the image you just downloaded. Take a moment to open it up and enjoy your creation in its full glory. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an image from Google Gemini. How easy was that? I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the steps clearly. If you have any questions about the process, or if there's something else you'd like me to cover in future videos, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. Remember, the next time you're looking for inspiration or a unique image, you know exactly how to generate and download it from Google Gemini. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this informative. Have a great day and happy image downloading.